Good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up an extender with maybe an old router you have lying around and you want the range extended into your house, in different areas of your house. And yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first of all you're going to have to default your routers. You'll see at the back there usually should be a button that says reset. By pressing it, holding it down, you'll see all the lights will flash, and now your router is defaulted to factory default. So you can do it on both your routers, and then you can log in. Okay, so if your Wi-Fi connected, you can log in. Each router has got a different IP address, different login details and everything. So my Tender router is using 192.168.0.1. okay, so then when you get to this page, you can set your router to DHCP, give it a name and a password. I'm going to make it test 1 2 3, and let's put that sign. Connect to your new SSID and insert your password. Make it test 1 2 3 and the add sign. Wait for it to connect. When it's connected, you can log into your router again. Okay, and you can go to internet settings. You select it as a universal repeater. You can also set it as AP if you're using a cable from your main router, but if you're doing Wi-Fi, then select universal repeater. So this is my main router at home. You put in the password, and then you connect. It's going to reboot now, and it's going to show you your SSID again. There we go. Let's just wait for it to reboot. Okay, and we're connected again, and you'll see here we have internet access. Okay, so you can go to wireless. You can change your SSID again. If you want to change it, you can change the password, and also you can go to your network settings if you would like to change your network settings, your time and date. And yeah, that is how to use an old router you have lying around as an extender in your home.